Hello and welcome to the final video focused on interactive infographic. Today I will teach you how to create a poster using Canva, how to get the QR codes for the video, the quiz and the digital breakout that we have developed on the previous videos. Let's get started. Okay guys, once we are here at the desktop, we are gonna open the Canva website, it's canva.com. Then I have here the YouTube video, the quiz and the digital breakout. So the first thing we are gonna do today is to get the QR codes for the digital breakout, for the quiz, and for the video on YouTube, as we need them to be embedded into the poster, okay? So in order to do that, the process is really simple. First of all, we need to go here, send, and then we need the link. We need to copy this link, open a new tab, paste the link, and here we go. So this is the digital breakout. And once we are here, we need to go here to the top, share this page. And here, if we click here, we will get the QR code for this website, for this digital breakout. Okay, here we are. We need to download. Okay, so we have here showing Finder. Okay, and here I am going to change the name for this file. This is gonna be QR code digital breakout. Okay, so we need to go back here. So we have the QR code for the digital breakout. We need to get the QR code for the two remainings. So in this case, for the quiz, same process. We need to go here, send the link, we copy, open a new tab, paste, enter, and here we are. We need to go here to the top, share this website, QR code, and we have the QR code here, download, and here we go. Then we need to change the name of the file again, and this one is gonna be QR code quiz. Perfect. And finally, we are here with the video that we have created previously. So we need to follow the same process, share this website, QR code, download the QR code, and then change the name of the file again. And this is going to be QR code video. This is important as we have all the QR codes we need here. Perfect. We can close these windows and we can come here. Okay, once we have all the QR codes on the desktop, we need to go here to the Canva website, create a new account or log in. I am going to create a new account with Google. With the free version of Canva, we have several options here, so don't worry about that. Skip. And we have several options here. We can create presentations, content for social media, videos, marketing. And first of all, we need to create a poster. So here in this option, we click here, poster option. Okay, and for our poster, I was thinking something like computer, as everything is related to the computer. Maybe the first one is really interesting. Okay, we can close this tab and we are gonna change the design of this poster. So first of all, I don't need this. Remove. And for example, I don't need this small text. And this is going to be how to create an info infographic. Here on the top, we can change the font, the size of the text, black, italic, so whatever we want. Here I'm going to change this maybe 100%, 100, maybe 100, then center, how to create an interactive infographic. So we have the title here, perfect. We can remove this, can delete this as well, and then can move this option here. And for now, we can insert the QR codes here into the poster. To do that, we need to go here, uploads, upload media, the first of all, the video, open, here we are. We just need to move, make it smaller. And here I'm going to use this for the description of the QR code. Watch the video. We need to change the size of the font, maybe 20, 25 maybe, it's okay. Watch the video. That's perfect. So we have the first QR code on the poster. So we need to follow the same process again to insert the remaining QR codes, upload media, maybe the quiz, for example. This one here. We need to make the QR code perfect. So now the QR code has the same size. And here I'm going to copy this option, Command C and Command V again. I'm going to move this here. I am going to replace the text as this is the quiz. Do the quiz. Perfect. I'm perfect. I'm going to put this one here just on the top just to make it more attractive. Same process again for the last QR code, digital breakout. So now all of them has the same size. And we just need to copy the text and paste the text. And we need to replace the text here. Try the web quest. So here we go. For now, we have finished the poster. We need to adjust all the elements just to make it very attractive, very visual. And that's all. We have completed the poster. As you can see, using Canva is really simple. We have several templates here on the top. We can use a lot of them. So there are some premium templates, but we have thousands of free options. And here we go. Okay, guys, once we finish, if we scan, for example, the QR code here,
This is a test. I'm going to include a video of a dog and a cat. Is that okay, Harold? That's okay. Created using Powtoon.
So here at the top right, we have several options. We can download the poster, share the link, present and record, or maybe we can share directly in our social media, such as Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. And basically, that's all you need to know to use Canva. As you can see, Canva is really simple to use. This is really similar to Powtoon, but this one is used for posters. And that's all. Congratulations for completing this video. Today you have learned how to create a poster on Canva. I hope you enjoyed this video and now you know how to create your poster with videos, quizzes and digital breakouts.